vegan now, and my point of view has completely changed. I no longer think about all things that I don't eat, but I used to love. I think about how they can be veganized, of course, and the Filipino spaghetti is one of my favorite dish to eat. So after doing a lot of research, I finally figured it out on how I can be creative on my vegan cooking. And today, I am happy and proud to share this recipe to any vegans out there or to those who are just started on their vegan journey, who loves Filipino spaghetti as much as I do. If you try it, let me know and I would love to hear your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And this is the ingredients that I'm gonna be using on my vegan spaghetti. If you'd love to try this vegan spaghetti, all the ingredients is on the description box. Most of the Filipino veganism or vegan, they use tofu as their meat for the spaghetti sauce. Since I eat tofu every day, so I decided to alternate the tofu to plant-based hot dog and falafel balls. And by the way, this is only optional. You can use whatever you want as long as plant-based. So I'm going to grind this hot dog in my food processor until finely and minced. Then follow the bell peppers, celery, carrots, and pulse for 1 minute and transfer into a bowl. Prepare and cook spaghetti, noodles, or pasta according to the package. And I usually use a pound spaghetti and 4 quarts of boiling pot of water. Then heat a medium size of saucepan over high heat. Once it's hot, pour the olive oil and add the garlic and saute for 2 minutes and follow the onion and saute for another 1 minute. Once the onions is transparent, add the ground plant-based hot dogs and saute for 5 minutes. Then add the ground bell peppers, celery, carrots, soy sauce, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and salt, and mix it well. And add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix it again and add tomato sauce. And the pure cane brown sugar. Mix it again and leave it for at least 5 minutes. Then add the falafel balls and cook for another 5 minutes. Make sure that you will stir every minute so the sauce won't stick on the bottom of the saucepan. Once the sauce is cooked, turn off the heat. Okay, so the water is hot and it's time for the pasta. Just carefully add the pasta into a boiling water and cook for about 15 minutes and mix occasionally so the noodles won't stick together. Once the pasta is cooked, make sure it's tender and drain the noodles and add some olive oil. To serve, place sauce over the noodles and sprinkle with grated vegan cheese. And serve while it's warm. Enjoy your spaghetti and thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.